Good morning, class. Today we are going to talk about the present continuous tense. We have done in the previous class we have done present tense. Now we are going to go further with the present continuous tense. Now the present continuous tense, when do we use it? Tense, as you know, shows us the time of action. So the present continuous tense is used when you talk about things, when you express actions which are happening just now, right at the moment, as I am speaking. So that is my present tense and continuous because the action has not been completed and it is going on. The form of the present continuous tense is the verb plus ing. Because we are in the middle of an action, we have to see how we can use this verb. For example, please be quiet. I am studying now. Studying is my present continuous tense. Study plus ing. Look at the next one. Please listen to the next one. Someone is knocking at the door. Knock plus ing. We are having lunch now. Have plus ing. Children are playing in the park. Play plus ing. So, for example, you can talk about things which you are looking at the moment. For example, if you look out of your window or if you stand on your balcony, you can give a short commentary on what is happening now. Or you can tell us about what is happening inside your home. For example, my mother is cutting the vegetables. My sister is washing them. Now they are going to turn on the gas and my mother will start her cooking. My dad is reading a newspaper. I am standing at the window looking at the people going by. So you are talking about what you are seeing. There are many people who are coming to the medicine shops, buying their medicines and going home. They are standing at a distance of 1 meter. They are maintaining social distance. There are some people who are not maintaining social distance. For example, those who are buying green vegetables, they are fighting amongst each other. They are bargaining with the seller. This creates a lot of problems, but it is fun watching them. Do you get the idea? Now you have a worksheet with you, which please fill up and see how you can work with these worksheets. Okay?